In this tutorial, I'm going to give you an overview of the course page. So each of the courses you're enrolled in have a different course page that has all of the information you're going to need while you are taking that class. So from the student dashboard, you can go to the navigation on the left, click on the course you want to go to. Here we're using the sample course page. So you'll see it looks very similar as the dashboard. You still have the navigation on the left, and then you have the main content area. So in the course page, there's additional links on the left. So we have course sections. So the course is divided up into these sections. For most of your courses, it's going to be by class date. So if you click on that navigation on the left, it will give you a list of each of those sections. So here you could see our examples of 4 weeks of classwork. So if you click on any of those, it will just take you in the main content area to that part of the course page. We have here participants. If you click on that, it will show you the other students in the class, also the teacher. You could click on those and go to their profile pages. The badges will allow you to see any badges that you have specifically been awarded for this class. The certificate and competencies we don't really use at the moment. And the last one, link that is unique to the course page is the grades. So if you click on that, it will take you to your grade book. So you'll see 2 assignments in here. They haven't been completed yet, so that's why there's no grade. But when they are completed and the teacher has graded them, then you'll see your grade for the assignments here, and then a total grade as well. I'm going to take you back to the main course page to show you just a few other things. So at the top of every course, we have the same pieces of information that allows you to always have those easy to access. So the first thing is we have a little biography about the teacher for the course. This will help you get to know them. So if you click on that, you will see a little biography of me, including a little bit about them, email address, if they have a work phone number, and then there's even a little information about the expected response time. So this is if you email or you call, and this is going to be the time that you should expect a response to whatever your question is. Oftentimes it's less than this, but we just want to kind of set an expectation. Many of our teachers also have other jobs during the day, so that's why it might not be them responding right away. At the top, you'll see kind of a navigation here. Okay, so if I want to go back to the course page, I could click on sample because that's the name of this course, and it will bring me back to the course page. We have the next piece of information is the course syllabus. So this is actually updated throughout the semester. So if the teacher has to kind of move things around based on the progress the students are making, it will be updated here. So if you click on that, I have it linked to a syllabus that we've used in the past for our partner study class. So you can see it's just a document that the teacher could update. If you scroll down after some of the basic information about the class, you have the preliminary schedule of topics. So this is where you could look to see what's coming up. And also this is where the teacher is going to update some of the things if they need to throughout. This next link is the link you're going to use to join the weekly live class. We use Zoom video conferencing for that. So there's another tutorial that you could view if you want some help with using Zoom. The next part we have is the video tutorials, like the one you're watching now. If you click on there, you'll see on the left, here are the tutorials that are available. If you click on those, then it will bring up the video, and you can watch those, and it will help you with those tasks that you might need to do on the course website. The next link we have is our policies, so the information about student behavior, workload, technical requirements. So if you click on that, it takes you to our policy page that you agreed to when you enrolled in the class. And then finally, we have a school spirit store, so Sparks of Messiah t-shirts, bags, mugs, those kind of things. So if you're interested in showing your school pride, if you click on there, it takes you to our Sparks of Messiah store. The rest of the content here is going to be the links to assignments, to printouts, readings, anything that your teacher is going to put for your weekly class will go in here. So we'll talk a little bit about how to use those in other tutorials.